This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This custom build, located in the desirable waterfront community of Bennett's Creek Landing, showcases quality craftsmanship and updated, modern finishes. The 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is meticulously maintained and boasts an incredible floor plan with 2 primary suites, including a first-floor suite and an office/bonus room. All guest rooms are large and include ample closet space. Updated flooring throughout. Additional updates include a new roof, 2016 tankless H20 heater, 2017 windows/exterior doors, 2018 dual-zone HVAC, 2020 gutters, 2022 custom patio and decking, California closet system, custom window treatments, plantation shutters, and the list continues. Step outside and enjoy your own private, fenced backyard, 0.61 acres, entertain/relax on the deck or custom patio with fire pit, or even watch the sunset over the river from your upstairs balcony. The neighborhood offers access to a community pier, pool, and waterfront clubhouse. For more information, review the details below.